Communication, VIP.
Transition how you listen. This encapsulates the three most important dynamics that you're going to learn to improve your overall listening skills when dealing with others. The people who find transition how you listen the most impactful are those in sales, human resources, management teams, or any area where you have to be around people in terms of customer service or professional development. Here are the three things that you will learn from transition how you listen. Number one, everyone's going to receive an aptitude listening test. Now, it only takes about 60 seconds, but after that test, you will know where you listen well and where your listening could use some work. Number two, you're going to identify which areas have been dichotomized with the way you listen between listening for just emotion or listening for the words. Chances are you think you're a great listener. Our test tells us that the average person rates their aptitude listening at 75%. But after our test, they realize they only listen really at around 25%. The third and final area is to learn how to gauge in acquiring skills to improve your communication, how to improve your listening by 4 different ways to get content acquisition questions. So if you are in sales, human resources, or any work teams, this topic will help you transition how you listen.
Communication, VIP.